Hello everybody, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to convert your Lulu ISBN. I am already inside one of my projects. In order to find your ISBN barcode, you need to click copyright, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You see the section ISBN here. You will need to put this on the back of your book cover. The problem is, when you click download barcode, it saves as an SVG document, not as a JPEG like it says here. So you must convert this SVG document into a JPEG until Lulu fixes this. And right now I'm recording this as of July 2020, and this is still an issue. So go ahead and save it down. So you're going to take that file and convert it into a JPEG. I just went to Google, typed in SVG to JPEG converter, found this nice one at Zamzar, so I'm clicking the link. The file has been downloaded to your computer in whatever folder you told it to download it to, so just click Add Files. Find that SVG document, and when it downloads, it will look like an HTML page, but you can tell it's your ISBN because it has the ISBN number as the file name. So click that, click Open, click Convert Now, and your ISBN document is now a JPEG that is ready for you to download. So click Download. And you can now save it down as a JPEG that you can put on the back of your book cover. Okay, hopefully this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and happy publishing!